I am putting link for this direct page of Kali officials. Click there and open this page. You can see here two download links available here. First is for 30, second is for 32-bit, and first is for 64. If your OS is 64-bit, then click on first link. After clicking, automatically download will be start. After downloading, open the folder where you downloaded this file and move it at your custom folder. And now what you need to do is right click on this file and click on extract here. Now you can see extracting is started. You can see it is done. You don't need to do anything here. Open your VMware workstation and click on files. Click on open. After clicking on open, go choose a folder where you extracted those files and open the folder where you extracted and select the file. You can see here. Then press open. After a few seconds, it will show your Kali machine here. Now click on power on and click on I copied it. Don't click on I moved it. You can see my Kali is opening. Here you have to put credentials for login. In username field, type Kali and in password field, type Kali. Then click on login button. Or if you want to log in as a root or admin, so you can put in username field root in the password field TWR2. You can see I am in my Kali machine now. So this is the way how to install Kali Linux on your VMware workstation in a simple way.